Hola Ángeles, let's talk about los sujetos, the subjects. This chart is going to be related to everything you are going to do for the rest of your Spanish career. So it's really important that you understand this, and from what I found, this is the best way to really set it up, to learn it, and then to go into learning verb conjugation. So let's go over our subject pronouns and some differences between Spanish and English. Yo is I, tú is you, él, he, ella, she, usted, you, and we'll talk about the two different yous in a minute. Nosotros is we, vosotros is you all in Spain, ellos is they, ellas is they, and ustedes is you all. So there were a few things that repeated, so let's talk about the differences here. In Spanish, there are two different yous. Tú is you informal. So if you are speaking with a friend, someone younger than you, family, someone you're on a first name basis with, you're going to use the informal tú. If you are talking to a stranger, someone older than you, someone you're showing respect to, then you're going to use the usted for the you formal. So informal is tú, formal is usted. Now, even though you might think, oh, well, I want to speak to my parents with respect, should I use the usted form? Tú is considered for family members. So your family is obviously people you're close with, hopefully. So the tú form is going to be good there. The difference between vosotros and ustedes. Vosotros is used only in Spain. So unless it says specifically Spain, you will usually use the ustedes. This is the form of you all, or y'all, if you're from the South like me, that you will use everywhere else, ustedes, okay? So let's talk about how to determine which subject you're going to use. And this becomes really important when you're writing sentences, because eventually you're going to have to choose which verb ending would go with your subject. So if you don't understand the chart, then it's going to be really difficult. So if it was Paco, if Paco is the subject of your sentence, which one of these is going to make the most sense? You can think about it in English. Paco goes to the store. If I had to take out Paco, what would I use? Well, probably he. He goes to the store. So él is what would go with Paco. This will make more sense when we get to verb conjugation. Just try and stick with me. If it's Paco and Ana, Paco y Ana go to the store. If you wanted to take out Paco and Ana and replace it with a subject pronoun, which one is going to make the most sense? Probably they go to the store. Now, the difference between ellos and ellas. Ellos is going to be all masculine, so it's all guys, or if it's a mixed group of guys and girls. Since Paco and Ana is a guy and a girl, we're going to use the ellos subject. Now, what if it's just Ana? Ana goes to the store. If we didn't want to change the sentiment, then we would probably say ella. She goes to the store. Ana y Maria, two girls. Take a second, think about it. Ana y Maria go to the store. Might want to say they go to the store. So we're going to use ellas because it's two girls. Ana y yo. Think about this in English. Anna and I. Anna and I go to the store. Well, a little different, but we'll probably say we go to the store. So nosotros is what you would want to use there. Paco y tú. Paco and you. It's kind of like saying you all. So since it doesn't specify in Spain, instead of saying vosotros for y'all, we'll most likely use ustedes for y'all. So I'm about to do a lesson on conjugation, and you'll see why this becomes important.